In this video, we will show you how to create channel or create workspace on Slack. After you register on Slack, you can open app.slack.com. Then you can click create a new workspace. You can create a workspace in here. And in here, you must fill with your company or team, for example. And click next. You can add another team in here, for example. And click next. For example, this is autumn campaign. Click next. And this is our channel has been created. We can add people in here by picking email and click done. Then we can add channel by clicking this option and create a channel. For example, in here you can type plan budget, and this is budget for our project, and click create. We can add our member and click done. And this is how to create working space and then create channel on Slack. Hope this video helpful for you.